Beautiful 2-year-old home located in highly desired neighborhood in Calhoun, conveniently located to I-20 and local shopping. This home features 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms with an open floor plan that is bright and airy. Painted throughout with neutral modern colors that you will love. Home also has a Vivint security system installed for your protection. The kitchen features an island with beautiful granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. The master has a large walk-in closet, ensuite with his and her sinks and a shower for 2. The family will enjoy the spacious living room with 65-inch flat-screen TV and back patio area for the summer barbecues. Call today to schedule your private viewing before it's gone.